And we are underway from Future Legends Complex in Windsor, Colorado, between Northern Colorado Hailstorm and South Georgia Tormenta. Josh Toll with you. Lukic had the night off on Wednesday. In the start here this evening, little step over and go. This shot is going to go through, but finds its way wide for Northern Colorado. Flying up the field are the Hailstorm. They're not afraid to get aggressive. This shot from long range, one hop into the hands of Hara. Powder. Shot from long range, and that worm burner is going to be scooped up. Norte with a good look. Akale. Foul here. That might be a frustration foul, as we're going to have our first booking of the evening. Akale sends it in with the left. Headed and denied by Delgado. The rebound goes wide. This ball in here by Akale. Looping ball. Is Knutson. Cornwall. Looking for Lukic. Advantage played. Dietrich with the left. Hops. Denied. All right, going down and make that save. Akale tripped up. Oprah, the player committing the foul, and he's going to go into the books. Cornwall played it right up the gut, but Knutson stepping forward. Akale out wide. Chance here, and getting on the scoreboard first is Pedro Fonseca, his 6th goal of the season. For this Tormenta side, this time they're able to finish. Joshua's going to be getting the assist here. Nice ball over, and just waiting at the 6-yard line there is Fonseca. So just sits at that 6-yard box, just waiting, the easy touch to get it home. Into the area, Knutson there. The follow-up by Dietrich, and that one just wide of the target. Portland, Maine will have a team come 2025. We'll see that also at half. Dietrich with an opportunity, gives it up to Ammon. Ammon with the left. Rogers loops it, headed down. Oprah got a piece of that, and then Hara knocks it over to the crossbar. Hailstorm. Look at this ball in by Rogers. A thing of beauty. Finding Oprah. The one hopper, though, allowed Hara to go back up and get it. And a corner coming now on the near side for the Hailstorm. Murphy lays it off. Corey, back post! Wide. And that should do it for the first half. It will. So he'll look to be that spark. He usually is the substitution spark. Talking with head coach Aiden Zayed about Marky Hernandez earlier this week. Hailstorm looking to find an equalizer. Drop back for Hernandez. No, it's going to be held by Dietrich. Powder with the strike and over the crossbar. All on SiriusXM FC 157 and the SXM app. Robles able to shield away the defender and then plays it right into the body there of Heckenberg, and now Robles handed a yellow card. Rendon over Zotinho. Here's Hernandez. Back to Rendon. Nice little step over there by Rendon to avoid the defender. Robles. Shot with the leg, and it sneaks through, and Northern Colorado has found an equalizer, and it's Danny Robles. First goal of the year for Robles. Returns to his former club. Great effort right there by Rendon to hop over the defender. Plays it back to Robles. Robles is going to take this himself. That might have taken a deflection off a defender of Tormenta. Doesn't matter as it goes through. Looping ball for Ammon. Ammon. The shot, dipping, blocked aside, and sent away by Tormenta. A big one. Ammon with a little space. That swerving, dipping ball. Hara knocks it aside. Ammon. The strike, and Hara with another brilliant save. That could be your save of the week right there by the keeper of Tormenta. 22nd appearance of the year for Amo.
Tormenta making its third change. Leaving the game number 7, Mukwele Akala.
Tipped, far post, and Northern Colorado has taken the lead in the 89th minute. And it's the captain, Cornwall, getting on the scoreboard. And it pays off. A long throw by Oprah, tipped back by Cornwall. That goal coming in the 89th minute. Cornwall. And there is the final whistle. Northern Colorado comes from behind, makes it 4 in a row, now unbeaten in their last 6 games.